Let's do it. Thank you so much, Anya. And guys, today all the stickers enjoy 10% off. Maybe you can take a look. We can zoom in a little bit more. A little more. Let me set down this one. Zooming, zooming. How about this way? The window pad. Wow, is a window or is a bad? Alright. I love this green bookshelf. Same way it's on the wall. That's cool. Still puzzles. You can join my board and you will know it. Okay. Let's do the study desk. Get your huge bag. Oh, excited. Only 2 stayed away. That's nice. In the study room. Maybe. I guess. Oh, Freya. I already feel excited for you. I can imagine how happy you would be when you receive our package and open it. The way that it is okay. And my friend, I forgot any questions or stickers. You can hit me up. Wait, it seems like his pad is bad. Oh my god. Look at this dog. And this side is called Me Time. If you guys want to know, just say my Mia's comment. Eh? Maybe it's not the study room. Because there's a nightstand. Zoom a little bit like a kid on Christmas. So heavy. Seem like you just gave yourself a huge present. A small daily dose for yourself. Ouch. Oh my god. Do you like this one set? I know there's some friends who are into the bigger size, but there's a lot of friends who love the smaller one. Smaller and cozy set. It looks so cozy, yes. This is a beginner set. Laundry basket. Eh? A lot of puffy. Ooh, Guys, do you notice the mirror just got reflection? So detailed. I had a tweezer. Same place as my reference. And like my sticker pack. Oh, those teddy bear. Got there. Okay. Guys, would you like to see my reference pic? Ding. See? Oh, where's one cute set? So guys, I just finished a smaller one. And if you guys don't like the big size I just did before, you're just hunting for some smaller ones. This could be the best choice. This could be time heaven. And where to grab it, you can join my board. How to join? See?